Now, this is how we can turn a web page into the app on your iPad, and let's get started. So naturally, it's not going to be a real app, but a lot of people are using this to save their particular websites as icons on home screen, right? So you can open up Safari and get inside of any website you want, just look it up, make sure it loads up, and then what you can do is to click on the share icon, which gives you many different options, and one of them is going to be the one to add it to the home screen. This gives you the ability to choose the title or like the name of that so-called app, and also probably pick the icon. But if you are instructed to do it by a website that you are supposed to add it and save it as quote app, then the icon will already be there, and this will already be set up in a way so you don't really need to do anything, and you just click on add and it will appear on the home screen. So then, as you can see, it's a regular icon and you can tap on it. It kind of looks like a website. I mean, depending on which website it is, but you can just tap on it and get in there instantly, right? So it just works well. Naturally, you can hold down on it and remove it, or also edit the homepage and just like move it around. Do whatever you gotta do, because it's a regular icon. Technically, it is a bookmark, but you can organize it and just save it however you want. So that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you. It's pretty simple to do, if I'm being honest. There isn't really anything complicated about it. So go ahead and do that. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you in the next videos in the future.